Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to replace my battery inside my Oneplus 3T here. So yes, I have been using this phone for about 2 years now, and I feel that the battery life is very short, so I wanted to change the battery inside to see how much longer it will last also. So before we begin, let me go into the phone and just show you the current battery health of my phone. So we can use an app called AQ battery here. So go to health. As you can see, this shows my battery health. The estimated capacity is 2792, but the design capacity is actually 3400. So we have dropped like for about 600 milliamp battery, which to me the battery life really does feel very short nowadays, and my battery health currently at 82%. Do keep in mind that this is just an estimate. I believe that the actual capacity or the actual battery health now is even lower than 82%. I would say it's about 70%, and so the estimate capacity is actually like 2400 something. I believe we have actually lost more health than estimated here. So I'm going to change my battery here inside, and I'll show you step by step. So first thing is to switch off the phone. So just long press the power button and power off. Okay, now it's off now. I'll take off my Spigen case here. Okay, leaving the phone bare. I have a D-brand skin on here. This is the Dragon skin, which looks very nice and protects the phone very well. And we will need to remove the SIM card tray. Okay. Now that we have removed it, we will have to unscrew two screws at the bottom of the case. These screws are called T2 top screws. So you need a screwdriver that you can remove it. From what I can tell, this is the kind of the screwdriver that you will need. Okay. So because I've applied the skin here, you won't see the screw because the skin actually covers it. So in order for me to reach the screws, I will have to tear the skin off this part, but don't worry, later on we can reattach it back. So just do it carefully without tearing your skin. Okay. Oh my god, I broke that. Be extra careful of the skin near the headphone jack. I broke my skin there again. So just take it off nicely. You only need to take off this part and you'll see the screw. Okay, you have two screws here. One, let me show you. One and two. One of it is already removed because this screw is once stuck inside the case. So I decided to leave this hole open and just screw in this one. So in your case, you might have to remove two screws. So just remove the screw. Okay, removed. So let's have a clear look at the screw. It's very tiny, so you need to keep it somewhere. And now you need to remove the back aluminum case. So all you have to do is just pull down here and then here. Do it slowly across the case, and there you have it. You're now inside of the phone. And now you'll need to remove the ribbons. As you can see here, we will need to remove this metal plate first. So you just need a normal screwdriver. So let's remove it. Now you need a spudger to remove the ribbon. Just need to remove this one. Just like the Apple F1S, you need to slowly take off these black cello tabs around the battery. Okay. And now before that, you will also have to remove the battery connector, which is right here. Now you have to take this green tab and pull hard. To make it easier, you can actually blow some hot air in front of the screen here to soften the glue behind it. But since that I do not have a hot gun here, I'll just gonna try to pull slowly. Oh my god, finally! Oh, so here's the battery here. I think I'll need this back. I think I definitely need this. Yep. Oh my god, that was scary. Okay, I think I'll have to put this back in here. Okay, now let's just set this aside first and we can take a look at the battery. So this is my new battery. As you can see here, they look identical, except that here we have a soft texture here on the connector, but this one is just bare bond. And the sticker, this thing is actually inside of the sticker, but this one leaves it outside. I think this design is better. Now let's take a closer look at the battery here. So they are exactly identical. Every number and all that is identical. Now as you can see here, I believe this is the production date. This states 2017 March 15. So basically this battery has been running for more than 2 years, and I believe the health is actually lower than we have tested just now. And this one is manufactured last year March 30th. And let's take a deeper look again. So this is the company name. As you can see here, this one looks a bit bigger for this Q cord as well. It looks this one looks bigger. And aside from that, the logo here, this one has a thinner font, this one has a thicker font. Now, if we look at it properly, it seems like the old battery is a bit thicker, but the new one is thinner. Well, as we are not sure whether this battery is genuine, my speculation is that the battery is actually this thin, but due to the usage, it gets thicker. It's normal because we have seen those phones with felt battery, their batteries are usually becomes bulging. So I believe it's best for me to take off this pull tab here and put it on this battery, so that next time it's easier for me to pull it to change my battery if I ever need to. Yeah. Okay. There's something on the back of the original battery, but there's nothing on the back of this. So as you can see here, I believe this is the sign of bulging out, because as you can see a tiny bulge of the battery here, while the new one is completely flat. We're going to put this battery inside the phone. So all you have to do now is just put it back here. And then connect it. Make sure it is tight. Now just stick this battery back on, although I believe it is absolutely not as tight anymore. Okay, put that back. Okay, looks as new. Now we're going to try to reconnect all the connectors back. Then this is the long ribbon cable connect this back also. So before we put our aluminum bag back, let's try to power on the phone and see if everything works. So everything looks okay here. We're going to turn off the phone and put back the back plate. And now you need to put this metal plate back and screw down. This is a Phillips screw. And put the housing back. Just align the holes. And push down. Okay. And the last thing to do is screw back the T2 torque screw here. The last step is to put back your SIM card. And now we're going to boot it. Oh, by the way, my phone is on Android 9 beta for Oneplus 3T. So later on, I'll be doing a full review on this new OS. But so far, the OS is very smooth, it's very fast, and I like the fluid movement and the animation here. And it's great. And so far, we have no problem here. Now back to the battery. So we have put into the phone now, and it's working perfectly. And we're going to charge the phone to see on the battery health. So as you can see, when I launch my IQ battery here, it still doesn't update the battery health because I haven't charged it, and it will only update after a few charges. So I'll be charging a few times and I'll give you guys my feedback later on. Well, I've charged the battery a few times now, and the battery is working fine. It does support desk charging for OnePlus 3 and 3T. And if we look into the apps itself, we can see that the battery is actually over the design capacity, which means that this battery is in 100% health now. So everything works well. The phone is still running smooth and no lags whatsoever. Well, thank you for watching, guys. Remember to like and subscribe. Ciao.